Today we will study Microsoft PowerPoint in 101 Hall-3 Introduction to Computers. Just type PowerPoint in the start menu. You will get Microsoft PowerPoint, the 2010 version I have. So in previous classes we finished Microsoft Word. In this PowerPoint we will study how to design a PPT, that is called PowerPoint. Now in this, when you open this, you have to take the new file. So in this we will study about home, where different ribbon buttons are there, and insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. So first we will start with the home button. In this, a predefined one slide is there. This is called layout, that is click to add title, click to add subtitle. This is one type of layout. So we have different types of layout in the above ribbon. So you can see here, these are the different types of layout: title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, so or blank. You can use any one based on the application. So I use this one. Now step by step we will study how to design a PPT. Now just take first layout with some design. So we have one design here. In this design, different designs, I can say one of the design I can use. So first design I will use this one. Let us take, you can use your own design, no problem, any design you can use. Now here I will add a title, King Khalid University. Now here I will add in the subtitle our subject code, subject name -3, like this I will add. Now you can change here all the font and everything you can change. Go to home button and change the font to Times New Roman, which already we studied in the Microsoft Word. The two methods are there to add this Times New Roman, that is changing the font. One is you drag these font styles, which fonts you want. Another one is directly you can type in the box there. So you can use the bold and you can increase the like this you can use. You can move this box left or right. I can make up and down, whatever you want you can make it. Now if you want to add some animation to some background color, or you can convert this into smart art, which already we studied in the Microsoft Word. Any one of it you can use it, or you don't want to use, you can leave this one, no problem. So this font size we can increase. The complete box you have to select and change this to Times New Roman. See, this is the second procedure what I am using. Make it bold, increase the size, just make it slightly, okay. And if you want to change the color of the this one, you can change black, exact full black, the font's color. So this is one slide I prepared, that is title slide I can say. Now next, if you want to add another slide here, you have to just press here in the left side slides bar, just press enter or add new slide. Here two options are there, add new slide, here one option is there, or here you can press and place the cursor here where the black line is blinking. Now just press enter, so another slide will add here. So this is the add title, some different are there. Now my intention is, now I want to add different design of these slides. First slide is one design, second slide in second design. So for that we have one procedure, so that is we have to add some new section in between these two slides. For that, just press in between these two slides, move the cursor in between these two slides and click once. Then a black line will highlight. So in this you just add this section here. There is a add section option is there. Add section, just add section and title section will be added. The next step after the add section is you have to go to the design ribbon and take next design, so that you can use easily. I take different design here. So which design is suitable, we will take it. Okay, I will take the design. See here, now you can check, first slide is of one type of design and second slide is of different type of design. Like this, another slide we can create which is having different design. For that, what we have to do is add a new slide, go to home, a new slide of same design, then it will add up a new slide of same design. But I want the third slide also of different design which is not same as the above two. For that, the same procedure we have to use, that is in between these two slides you have to press once, then a black line will highlight. At that time you have to go for the section, add section, then go to design and change the design to indifferent. I use this design, any one of the design, up to you. See, now the design is changed. So now we have three different designs. Now for all these slides, first I want to add slide number and I add date and time. For that you have to go to insert, there is a date and time, that is I want to add header and footer for that. So just go to the insert and put date and time, click on the date and time option. Now here one window will open. In this include on slide options you have to check, date and time option is there, just click on the date and time, it will highlight it. Update automatically option you can take, or fixed also date you can take, but you take update automatically, so that whenever you will open a file it will change the date as per the current date. Now there is a slide number option is there, just click that box, means check the box. Now footer option also there, tick that footer box and type footer. Now the footer name I will write as KKU -101 hall, that's it. Now there is another option, don't show on the title slide. So we are using one first slide as a title slide, so we don't want this footer and date and everything on the title slide. So for that we will use this box, just click this box and apply to all. So we have to use apply to all. You can check here on the down, there is a title bar. Now again you can click here, you can increase the size of this one. I will increase it, make it bold. Now this also, you can increase the size and make it bold. You can change the font size also. slide number. You can move this slide numbers from one point to another point, no problem. Next, now go to the third slide. The name, the title is here. Header is somewhere based upon the slide design, that header, date and slide number shifts. So here it is on the top. You can move to down, no problem. I will move it this to this slide header to down. Same thing, I move this slide here, this date to down. Now I am increasing the size of the date and making bold so that it will be visible easily. I am increasing the size of this and bold. Now I am increasing the size of the numbers. That's it. Now we will add some content to the second slide. So something I will add, click here, add title to the second slide, that is I can use section number of your subject is, let us take 189. Now I will add some text to here. Now I can use bullets, different style. I will use this style. Now I will add something. Total number of students are, let's take 28. Now I can use lab number is 1 by floor number 2 building A. Now another class conduction day is Monday. Class conduction time is morning 8 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. So like this I add some text, some statements I put in this. Now if I want this in one line, we can use in one line. Now this you can move to the left so that it is visible. Now this is one slide. Now I want to use line spacing, then there is a line spacing, already it is 1, I can use to 2.5 so that it will cover complete page. 3 will come out, 3 also it's okay, but 2.5 is good. I will use 2.5. Now I will make it bold and increase. No, I can check 26, 24 is the size now. So what is the spacing I have to use? It is 2.5, no problem. Now I will go to the third slide. In this third slide I surely I will add some title. Microsoft PowerPoint. Which version I am using? 2010. Now I will add some here. In this, what we are studying Microsoft PowerPoint. I use different style of bullets. I use bullets. This what we'll study is design, DSIG, design, transition. We'll study animation. We'll study animation. We'll study in this lecture. Slideshow. We'll study view and format. So these items we are studying in this lecture. Now not only this, I want to make this in small portion of the slide, so I can move that box. Now I want this in bold, and line spacing I want to increase to 1.5 so that it will cover complete slide. Okay, now here I want to add 3 pictures. Any different pictures I want to add. So for that we have to go to the insert, add pictures. There is option picture. So here it will ask from where I have to collect the picture. So it will open a separate browsing window. In this, go to the pictures. Go to the pictures, saved pictures, something, saved pictures, it is there. No. I can use here documents. I cannot see the pictures here. Why? Pictures. So I have to use pictures from online. Also, I can use the pictures. In my computer there are pictures are not there. Okay, I can use pictures online. That is so I have to add some pictures. Let's go to the pictures, and it will open a window. In the pictures you will have, see, so I have some pictures here. I will use one picture here and I will insert that picture. I will add here, I make this bigger size, no problem. I will add another picture. Just insert that picture. So you can insert beside to this one with some gap so that it will be easy to understand. So here we have 2 pictures. So the adding of all the items to the PPT slides is finished now. Now what we'll study is how to make a slideshow. So for that, before going to slideshow, we have to set up a slideshow. Here there is a slideshow, setup slideshow option is there. Just click on the setup slideshow. Here in this, all should be as it is. You can use all slides to we have to be set up, and presented by the speaker should be with full screen and a loop. So this slideshow, always remember that there is a loop continuously until we have to press escape button. So this should be a tick box, you have to tick in that. And if you want a pen color of different color, you can change the color here, no problem. So generally just only when you set up a slideshow, just click this one, loop continuously until escape button, and press OK. Now you can see the result. Now see here, that loop with the escape button will come when it is designed with some transition. So for transition means the time for each slide, means the here we have two options, timing for each slide and what is the transition to slide. So which type of transition you want to use for a particular slide. So here we have none, cut, fade, push, wipe, random bars, shape, uncover, so many are there. So first I will take for the first slide, okay, I will take this one, honeycomb. Next for the second one I will take dissolved, like this it will come. For the third slide I will take random bars, no problem. Now another thing I have to add in this slideshow is you have to use timings. See here, timings here, after first slide, how much time it should stay on the screen. So let us take, I can use 5 seconds. Next I can use, because the content is more here, I can use 8 seconds. Now third one also I can use 8 seconds. I will use. Now if you see, there are two options, two methods to use slideshow, that is down here slideshow symbol is there, you can use that one, or go to slideshow, here there is from beginning or from current slide option is there, directly you can use from the beginning. You will see how it look like. Just press, you see first one, this one, the next slide will come after 5 seconds. They see this slide will stay for 8 seconds. So after 8 seconds it will go to the next slide. See, like this. Now this slide also will stay for 8 seconds. Here the point is, here after this 8 seconds it has to finish, but we use loop continuously, so that's why it is continuing one by one to infinite times. To break this slideshow, what we have to use, the escape button. In the keypad left top corner there is a ESC, escape button is there, we have to use that one, then only it will terminate the slideshow. Otherwise it will continuously show the slides one after another based upon the timing of the slide. So now I am using the escape button, which is left corner top of the keyboard, left top corner, escape. So like this it will come back. Now when I go to, now this is about the transition and slideshow. Now what is animation? The last topic is animation. So in this animation, for each slide the contents we have to animate, means we have, in first slide we have two statements, so these two statements we have to animate. Now another, I think I can add to the first slide one picture I will add, so that it will be easy for you. Insert, add picture, or you can add smart art. Now picture I will take, I will add one picture so that it will be easy for you. So you can crop this picture. The cropping already I told you in the Microsoft Word, that is by use this button, and once you click it, a box will come here, black box. So you can crop this small, you can make it small. How much you want, you can take it. Then again click the crop button, then it will cut that one. So use this here. Now I will use this border. No, it's not good. I can use the another one, which is a good one. Yeah, I will use this. Okay, you can change the color of the border, everything you can do it. Yeah, based upon the nature. Now what I am doing is animation. So animations, when you come here, each items, now in the first slide contains 1 2 3 items, that is 2 statements, 1 picture. So we can have animation one by one. So the first one, if you click the first item, that is picture, it will ask which type of animation we want. In this animation we have 3 types. One is at the entrance, how should be, at emphasize means in between, and at it exit means it will not stay, it will go out. So these many are there, these 3 are there. So it will take from top to bottom. So I will take animation float in. So how it will see, it will float in like this. So how much time we have to take, that effects also you can take, float up or float down you can take. Now how much time, duration, here duration we have 2 items, duration and delay. So for the first item in each slide, the duration we can set up, delay should be 0, means at the starting itself we have to start the animation. So the duration, you can have the duration of 20 seconds, you can have the duration, it is seconds, you can have the duration of 20. It is not actual seconds, you can say it is microseconds. And second one, I can use animation with different, that is fly in, I can take, or wheel also is good. Now in this effects also, which type of one, spokes, 8 spokes, how you can use this one, you can take 8 spokes is good. Now duration, the previous one we used 20 seconds, so here we can use, because it's a name itself it is there, so we can use 40 microseconds. Now delay, so delay is we can start after the first one, so first one is at 20 up to 20 seconds, so like this. Now same coming to the third one. Now in the third one I use different style, that is swirl I will use, it will rotate. So now duration also I take 1, so that it will be more. Now delay, it should be 20 plus 20, 40. Now we will see how it is working. So for that what we need, slideshow, just see the slideshow, the first one, see it is now empty. So first it will, without delay it will start the picture, next King Khalid University, next this one. Now the timing is designed by the number of seconds you are using transition. So I increase the transition, let us take for 10 seconds, it is 5, now it is I increase time second. Then in between these 10 seconds, these 3 items animation will be defined. So check the slideshow, see now it is slow, it will come slowly, see it is lasting more, it is coming there again, this next one also is coming different, so it will go to the second. So like this we have to design animation. Now same thing coming to the second slide, I use this title with home, I will convert this to smart art, I will convert this to smart art, I use this, and I can insert a picture in this. See, one mountain I added there. Now I can change this to 3D also. Oh sorry, it is not responding. just wait. Yeah, I can change this to, yeah, I will use this 3D. Now change the colors. I can change the colors, different colors. Now I add animation to this slide. So this one I will add animation, that is I take the second one. So I will take this one, tweet, some tweeting. So delay should be 0 and this should be 20 second. Delay should be 0. Now here it will start, and 111 statement also you can take animation. You can take shape. Now take delay of 20 because I took 20 first one. Now I take 40. So this is 40. Next the second one I will take 14. I will take. Now I will take this 1 minute because 60 seconds it is. Now I will start at 40. Now this one I will take different style, bounce, no problem. Now it is one. Start time duration should be 1 minute 20 seconds, like that. Now it has to start at 1. Now same thing, go to the last statement. I will take another one. Glow and run. Now it is 1 minute 40, you can say. This is 1 minute 20 seconds. 1 minute 20 you have to delay. Now let us see how this happens. So for checking for the current slide, what is the option? Slide show from current slide. Just check. See, first one, second, third, fourth, with different animation we got it. In this are divided in 8 seconds. So in transition for the second slide, let us take 15 seconds. Then it will take more. Let's take 12 seconds. I add 4 seconds more. Then go to slideshow. See the slideshow from current slide. So it will start second, third, fourth. So slowly it will go. Means within the 12 seconds the animation is divided for each item. So same thing I will put another animation for this one, third slide. In third slide also I use home, convert to this one, something design, color is okay, matching, no problem. Now so use the animation to this. So we'll start with the last one. So exit we should not use, means it will not appear later till the slide is finished. So we can go for the random bars with effects, vertical or horizontal. I use vertical. With timing, same the previous one what I took. Then next, or if you want to increase this timings, you can increase. That is, you can go up to last, because 3 you can use, no problem. Now here this design, these items I will use the exit. So one by one I will do fade and timing. You can use delay with 0 and 20. Next the second one, all exit we will use, no problem. Fly out I use 40 and delay should be 20 after 20. Next animation I use exit split, same thing I use 1. Now this is 40, same thing. Slideshow I use exit zoom, no problem. This is 1 minute 140, you can use 1.40. I can use quantity. Now here I use 120. Now view I use exit swirl, it will rotate, then 2 is okay. Next I can use 1.40 delay. Okay, so this format I will delete so that it will be easy. Now for this Microsoft 2.40 was the delay. Now I will use wheel, no problem. Which type of wheel if you want, you can use 4 spokes. Now duration should be 2.40 and delay should be after 2.20 I can say. This one last I can use swirl and effect, no effect swirl. So this is 3, you can use duration, and this is 2.40. Okay, now one thing I have to increase here is the slide transition. The slide transition 8 seconds is not sufficient, we can use 15 seconds. So in this 15 seconds all will be divided. Now see the current slide animation and slideshow, current slideshow. Just wait and see. See, this is the one. So we are using all exits, so it will show up first all the items, then one by one it will delete. See, next the picture will come, another picture will be here, so like this. So it will go to the first slide. Now you observe all the slides now with all the seconds. This is your PPT ready to present anyway place. So be careful while designing a PPT with different slide designs. We have to use add section item in between 2 slides and then use a different design for the current slide. This is the one point. Second point, while developing a slideshow, you have to use the button setup slideshow. In that, click the checkbox, loop continuously till the escape button. So this is the second point, very important. Now third point, use proper transition for each slide with duration so that the slide will remain on projection. Next, fourth point is use animation for each item of the slide contents. It has 3 items. One is at the time of starting, emphasize and exit. Exit you can use only when some items do not repeat and it should not show in the slide later. So that only you have to take into account. So thank you for the patience, and this is the PowerPoint.